All right, now in the course, I've got lots of things that we're going to go through. I'm going to teach you how to store your essential oils if you don't already know. I'll teach you what are the best essential oils for cleaning. Talk to you about microfiber cloths and the benefits and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, but I thought it'd be fun if we just get started and just make something. What do you reckon? So I thought we'll make toilet bowl fizzies. These fizz up in your bowl and they'll clean your toilet. So let's just go straight into, have a look. Let me show you. I'll get it so you don't see my white shirt, because otherwise, if I do that, no good. Do that, you can see him. See that? Beautiful. So, let's get straight into doing something fun. Not that the rest of the course is not fun, just thought, well, let's get you doing something. Alrighty, we are going to make toilet bowl fizzies. Look at the little guy. He fizz away. Look at him. So that's what we're going to do. So, alrighty, you can see that it cleans your toilet. How fantastic is that? Now, it's very, very simple as you're about to find out. All you're going to need is 2 cups of baking soda, bicarbonate soda. So you just drop this into your bowl and they clean it up beautifully. Of course, the cleaning of baking soda and removes odors, etc., etc., etc. So you get 2 cups of baking soda. And there we go. Now, as you're about to see, before you give me a hard time about this, I'm going to make them in ice cube trays. You can, of course, get silicone molds, which you want to be fancy. They make beautiful gifts, actually. And get the nice sort of spherical... get the nice... Okay, so 2 cups of baking soda. Let me get back on track here. And a half a cup of citric acid. Now, you could increase the citric acid if you want your toilet bowl fizzies to be fizzier. So, but that's 2 cups of baking soda and half a cup of citric acid. 20 drops of your favourite essential oil. And then you just mix them up. Mix up your dry ingredients. Now, as I was saying, I'm going to put these in ice cube trays because, you know, I really don't... let me put it this way. My little guys, only a mother could love them. They're not going to win any beauty contests. Now, what you want to do here, you need to put some liquid in there. Now, so I'm just using... now, you could use hydrogen peroxide, so you have the effect of hydrogen peroxide being disinfecting. You could do that. I'm just using my spritzer bottle, which we'll learn about later in the course, which has got essential oils and water. It's got essential oils. Now, and you want to get it, don't get it too wet. It wants to be like that. Look at that, damp sand. Nothing more. If you make it too wet, that's perfect. If you make it too wet, it's going to go in there and it will start growing like a creature of the Blue Lagoon or the Black Lagoon or one of the lagoons. But it will start coming out like lava. It'll start just growing and growing and growing. So don't get it too wet. So I say, I'm just going to put these into... So you put them into the ice cube trays, you press them down, you dry them out for, depending on your climate, a few hours or a day or two, and then they'll just simply come out of these. So you want to press them down. It's so easy, and these are great. Yeah, your children can help you. My son loves doing this. And there we go. And then just get it all there. Now I said if you had silicone molds, they'd look really awesome. All right, now no laughing. No laughing. But they work. It's just, the purpose is just to teach, all right? They're all right. Ah, what the heck? They're only going in the toilet, guys. They're not winning any beauty contests, but they're okay. That's my little boys. There you go. And look at that. Toilet bowl fizzies. So you drop them in the toilet. Cleans your toilet. There's my little boys.